Yeah. No, not really. Okay, hello guys. So today we're making stuffing for Thanksgiving. This is our recipe. We have been doing this for a while now. Here's all the ingredients you see, and we're making a cornbread stuffing. So you see, and of course I'm making it for the restaurant, so I'll put a better recipe somewhere over here later on in the video. But I'm going to start putting everything together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to saute the bacon and the pork sausages first and get that rendered down. Then I'll put the onions and the celery inside, and we'll take you guys step to step. Okay? I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so right now all I'm doing is I'm just rendering down the bacon. I know you guys can hardly see in the pot. That's the only way I can put the camera right now. And I got a little bit of pork sausage in there, bulk pork sausage. Listen, you guys don't have to put all this kind of meat inside. This is just our stuffing. Actually, this is my mom's recipe from a long time ago, and we make it once a year for Thanksgiving and sometimes Christmas too. But remember, it's Thanksgiving. It's a once in a year thing, so we just get more flavor than anything else. Okay, so let's render down the bacon. I don't really want the bacon crispy. I just want it rendered down. You can see in the pot. And when I add the more ingredients, I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Okay. Okay, now that I got the bacon and pork bulk sausage rendered down a little, you can see the bacon is still not even really cooked, but it just kind of rendered, gave up some of its fat and its juices. I'm going to add the onions. Okay, remember we're going to bake this still yet too, so you don't want to really cook everything till it's done yet. We're going to still bake it in the oven and mold everything together. So we haven't seasoned anything yet too. I like to season towards the end because you gotta remember the bacon's salty, the pork sausage is salty, the Portuguese sausage is salty that's going in. So What we'll do is, this is a lot of onions too, but remember I'm making one 600 pan and one 400 pan, so I'll have a better, more accurate recipe for home use for maybe one turkey's worth. We're cooking like 6 turkeys, so yeah. But anyway, so what we'll do is we'll sweat these onions down a little, and after I sweat the onions down, I'll get back. We'll start adding the rest of the ingredients in. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I sweated the onions a little. I don't know if you guys can see it, but sweat it down a little. Like I said, I'm not cooking everything all the way through, so I'm still going to add liquid to this and seasonings. But anyway, right now we just got the pork sausage, bulk pork sausage, and or should I just say ground pork, but it's with seasoning for pork sausage, and the onions and the bacon. And then now we're going to add the celery in. Now we're adding this is brown and served pork sausage. That's all you need. Gives a lot of flavor though. And we'll just kind of get that all mixed in and sweat that down a little. I'm not going to dump out any of the oil. I'm not going to dump out any of that. I want everything in the stuffing. Because that's all, let's face it, that's just all the flavor right there. And let's get this thing cooked down a little bit, and I'll get back to you. Then we'll add the Portuguese sausage in, okay? I'll see you in a bit. Okay, one of the last ingredients we're adding right now is the Portuguese sausage. Okay, now this is what's going to bring you some flavor there. And we'll start to sweat this down too. This stuffing has been in our family for a long time. Grandma used to make it, Mom used to make it, and of course we just copy them. So let's sweat this a little bit more down, get a little more cooked, then I'm going to start adding the stock in, okay? I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 5-7 minutes right now, so what I'm going to do at this point, I'm not adding too much, okay? So you guys gotta really watch this part. I'm just adding a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Black pepper. And a little bit of granulated garlic. Okay, just a little bit. All we're doing is just flavoring it a little bit. You can add salt later on when you taste the final product, because like I said, sausage is salty, everything is kind of salty, good. Bacon is salty, so watch the salt, okay? Because once you put too much salt, that's pretty much it, guys. So watch your salt. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the blocks of butter in there. Okay guys, remember now, Thanksgiving, once a year. We want good, you know what I mean? So you see me putting a lot of fat into this, but it's Thanksgiving, so let me get the butter in. I'll tell you straight out, I'm putting 3 pounds of butter in this, okay? So I'll be back when I get the butter in. Okay guys, what I'm doing is I'm just changing the roundabout. The one I put it in is a little too small. So I'll put in a little bigger one now. I got you. But now you know we're not too much tomorrow. But I get enough for tomorrow though. Or maybe not. There you go. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, the last thing I'm gonna add in here for now is the chicken stock. Okay. So this is gonna be our base for the stuffing mix. So what I got is cornbread stuffing. You guys can use cornbread, old cornbread. Make sure it's all dried out, or just buy cornbread in a box. It's fine. When you buy cornbread from the box, make sure you watch your seasoning, because that cornbread is kind of seasoned already. So make sure you watch how you season it. But we're using a combination of half and half. So we got this plain cornbread in there and some of it from the box. So this is kind of what the liquid is for now. It's got all your ingredients in there. And we're gonna mix this up with the stuffing soon, and that's it. You have your stuffing. So let me get everything mixed together, and I'll pour it in it, and I'll get back to you folks. Yeah, all we're trying to do right now, guys, is get everything to bring up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'll shut down the fire, and it will start mixing the cornbread mixture in. Okay? So hang tight. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys. So it's finally coming to a boil now. So what we'll do is we'll shut off the fire. And we'll start getting this cornbread mixture in. Just mix it to it absorbs all the liquid. Remember, we're still gonna bake this off in the oven too, yeah? So okay. Okay, so let me get this all stirred in, and then I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Okay, guys, so I got this stuffing already mixed up. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna throw it back into the hotel pans, and I'll put in a 350 degree oven, 350 degree oven uncovered. Okay, so, and we'll bake that off for about 20 to 25 minutes, just to firm it up, get a little caramelized, and just it'll give a better flavor, make the flavor more meld together. So let me put it in the pans, and I'll show you guys the final product after it comes out of the oven. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, guys, aloha. So anyway, here's your stuffing. Just got it out of the oven for about, I let it go to about 40 minutes, just to brown the top a little bit. But give this stuffing a try, guys. You guys would really love it. Like I said, I'll have the recipe. I should have had the recipe on there already. If not, I'll have it right after this finale. And yeah, it's good stuff. Take your time. It's once a year, guys. Once a year. So I know there's a lot of butter and a lot of fat in there, but once a year. Anyway, I'd like to wish you folks all a very, very, very safe Thanksgiving and a happy Thanksgiving. You folks be safe out there, and enjoy you guys' family. Anyway, We shall see you folks after Thanksgiving for a couple more videos before Christmas. And I wish you guys the best. You guys stay blessed out there. Remember, Jesus always loves you. And we shall see you folks a little later. All right? Aloha.